Hello everyone, it's Miss Campbell again. Today we're going to go through segment addition with some more algebra today. So it's going to be like what we learned the day before, but just a little bit more in depth. So, segment addition review. Okay, basic addition here. If GH is 24, we've got our picture up here, so GH would be 24, and HI is 13, then GI is how long? Okay, well GH and HI, if you add them together, you get GI, which is what we're looking for. So just take GH is 24, HI is 13, add 24 and 13. Well, what's 4 plus 3? That's 7. 2 plus 1, 3. So GI would be 37. Okay, next part here. Just erase that for right now. Okay, we got an algebraic problem. It says if GH is 6x plus 3, HI is 4x minus 7, then GI equals 8x plus 10. What is the value of x? And then they ask us to find GH, HI, and GI. Okay, in order to find these things in step 2, first have to figure out x, because as you can see, all three parts, they all have a variable in them. There's no numbers. So what we've got to do is think about our line here. GH is 6x plus 3. This next section, HI, is 4x minus 7. And then the whole thing, GI, from G to I, that's 8x plus 10. So think, I've got the two parts. If I add the two parts together, I should get the entire line segment. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, we're going to do 6x plus 3. So that's the GH part. Okay, plus, now let's do our HI, 4x minus 7. And then that should be equal to 8x plus 10. Okay, now it's just solving an equation. So combine like terms, get all your variables on one side, constants on the other. 6x and 4x, that is 10x. 3 minus 7 is going to be negative 4. We have 8x plus 10. All right, now I'm going to move the 8x over to the left-hand side and this minus 4 over to the right-hand side. So to get rid of minus 4, I'm going to add 4. So I have 10x equals 8x plus 14. I'm going to move this 8x over here by subtracting. So 2x is equal to 14. Divide by 2. X will be 7. So x is 7. Okay, and then the last part, it says find GH, HI, and GI. We know x. Now we can just take it and plug it in to find each of these other pieces. So GH, we have 6, and then instead of x, I'm going to put 7, okay, plus 3. So do 6 times 7, 42, plus 3, 45. So GH is 45. And then now do HI. Okay, HI is 4, and then it's x, so instead of x we put 7. So 4x minus 7. Okay, what is 4 times 7? 28. Now 28, take away 7, you get 21. So HI is 21. And then now GI, okay, you can plug in here 8, this is 8x plus 10, so 8 times 7 plus 10. So 8 times 7 is 56, plus 10 should give you 66. And that's GI. And to check your work, well, if you take GH and HI and you add them together, you should get out what you have for GI. So take 45 and add 21 to it. Do you get 66? Yes, you should. All right, so that's that example. Okay, we'll do our next example here. It says if K is between J and L. Okay, stop right there. K is between J and L. Draw a line. Point K is somewhere here between points J and L. You don't know exactly where K is, and it really doesn't matter exactly where you put it on your diagram, as long as it's somewhere between J and L. So always draw a diagram. That will help you. Now we're going to label our diagram. It says JK is 4x plus 6, and KL is 7x plus 15. And then they tell us JL is 8x plus 48. Okay, you know what to do. You take the two pieces, add them together, it's going to be equal to the whole thing. So 4x plus 6 plus 7x plus 15 equals 8x plus 48. All right, now solve this equation. Combine like terms. 4x and 7x, that's 11x. 6 and 15, that's going to be 21. Then we have 8x plus 48. Okay, get all your constants on the right, variables on the left. So I'm going to move minus 21. Okay, so minus 21 over here. And then I'm going to move the 8x at the same time. So minus 8x minus 8x. So I'll come over here, draw a line for us. Okay, 11x minus 8x is going to be 3x. And 48 minus 21 is going to be 27. Divide by 3, so x is 9. So they ask us to find x, and then now it says find the length of jk. So all we have to do is take that x value and plug it in for jk. jk would be 4 times our value of x, which is 9, plus 6. So y'all, what is 9 times 4? Okay, 36 plus 6 is going to give you 42. And that's jk. Okay, and this is going to be our last example for the day. It says K is between J and L. So again, draw your picture. Just draw a line. There's J, L. K is somewhere here in the middle. Don't know if it's exactly in the middle, a little to the left, a little to the right. We just know it's between them. JK is 6x plus 9. KL is 8x minus 3. And JL is 11x plus 36. Okay, we have JK plus KL, which would give us JL. All right, that's this equation right here is the geometric equation. So now I'm just going to plug in the different pieces. So I have 6x plus 9, because that's JK. Now KL is this 8x minus 3. When I add them, I should get the 11x plus 36. So combine like terms and solve. 6x and 8x, that's 14x. 9 plus a negative 3, that's going to be 6. Okay. So now I can just move the 11x over here, and I'll move the 6 over to the other side. So I'm going to subtract 11x from both sides, because that will cancel there. And then to get rid of positive 6, I'm going to subtract 6. So my result will be over here. 14x minus 11x is going to give you 3x. And then 36 minus 6 will be 30. divide by that 3. So x is 10. And then our last part, find jk. Again, just plug in. jk will be 6 times our x value, which is 10, plus 9. So 60 plus 9, 69. That is jk. All right, guys, so those are these last couple of problems are the most complicated kinds of segment addition problems you're going to have. So if you can do this and you understood all that, you're going to be good to go. See you next time.